Hello, dear students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Hope you all are fit and healthy at home. I'm Sandhya Patel, your class 5th mathematics teacher from St. Mary High School. So, in our previous class, we have started new chapter, that is chapter number 5. Does it look the same? In previous class, we have completed till page number 75, and today let's see ahead what is given in a textbook. Venki has made a right and white shape. Make a line on the white box where you will keep a mirror to get that shape. Look at how the line is drawn in the first box to get the picture next to it. Now, a boy named Venki, what he has done? He has made a various shape with the help of red and white color, as you can see in the picture, this one. So now what we have to do? We have to make a line in the white box picture in these pictures in such a way that we should get picture that is been shown in next to it. This thing we have already done in our previous class for that dog, right? So today let's see what will the answer. First answer has been shown. Now let's solve the second one. So let's try to draw a line. Where we should draw a line? We should draw a line in here. You will draw a line here. So when you keep mirror at this line, you will observe this picture. Now let's see the C1. What is given? How we will keep the mirror? We should keep mirror. We should draw a line here. We will draw a line here, and when you keep the mirror here, you will observe this picture. Let's solve D. For D, where should we keep the mirror, or where should we draw the line? Here. So when you draw a line properly with the help of scale here, and you kept the mirror here, you will observe this picture. And the last E1 you have to do as a homework. Now let's see ahead. Half a turn. Once there was a king. He was upset because thieves kept stealing costly jewels from his locker. Here is what the locker looked like. Now there was a king, and he was used to be very upset. Why? Because the thieves kept on stealing his jewels from the locker. This is the locker. You can see this is the locker, and the locker looked like this. The locker could be opened by giving its handle turn a half. Another half turn and the locker would be locked again. Now how we can open the locker? What we have to do? We have to turn this handle half. If we turn it half, then it will open, and we again turn it half, the locker will be locked. Now why the king was upset? Let's see. The king would often leave the locker open thinking it was locked. Can you guess the reason? Now what happened? King always get confused. He always keep the locker open by turning it half. Why? Because why the king is always used to keep the locker open only, and he think that it was closed. Why he always get confused whether the locker is open or closed? So the reason is, carefully observe the picture, both the picture. What you can observe, that it looks same in both the position. When it is locked, it is look like this, and when it is open, it look like this, and when it is locked, it is both the pictures are same. Both the time the lock is looking same. That is why he always get confused and cannot tell if it is locked or open. One day his clever daughter gave him an idea which he liked very much. Now he never get confused. Can you guess what the idea was? Now the king has a clever daughter. He gave an idea to the king, and by listening to the idea, the king was very much happy, and from then he was never used to get confused whether the locker is open or locked. Now can you guess what idea would have gave? So let's read ahead. The king's daughter asked the king to put a dot on one of the yellow blades. So what she asked to his father, he said that you have to put a dot on one yellow blade of the locker. You can carefully observe this. Here you can see a dot on a yellow blade. So whenever the black dot is upside, it is open, and when it is downside, it is locked. The king had many such lockers with different handles. Check if on giving them half a turn he can get confused with this too. What will you do to solve the problem for each of this? Now similarly, like this locker, the king also have other lockers too, in which he also used to get confused. To solve this, you can see here the other types of locker. So how can you solve this? How can you solve the confusion of the king? What you can do, you can put a dot in all the lockers. So you can put dot here. You have to do it in a book, then here, and this last one you have to guess by yourself. So this will be a solution. Now let's read ahead. Same after one half turn. Guess which of the shapes below would look the same after half a turn. Now in this picture, what you have to do, by looking at the shape, you have to guess that when these shapes are half turn, take half turn, will they look same? Yes or no? So let's think for this rectangle. If you make a half turn, for example it is like this, and you turn it half, so it will be again like this. So after a half turn it will look same. Then this is also triangle, so it will also look same. This will also look same. This will also look same. This will, right? So this one also looks same, and this one will not look same. So all the figure are, all the shapes will look same except the last one. So I hope this is clear. Now let's see ahead. Do you find it difficult to tell? If yes, then there is a way to check your guess. Here's how you can do it. Take any of the shape, trace its outline on a sheet of paper. Now keep the shape on its outline and give it a half turn. See if the shape fits into its outline. Now this you can do at your home. This is an activity. What you can do is, you can draw a picture as so in the picture. You can draw the shape on a sheet of paper, then cut it, then take and then turn it by half. Then you have to observe whether the cut shape fit and in that cut paper or not. If it will fit, that means it will remain shape. So this you can do at your home as an activity. Now practice time. Find out which letter in the English letter alphabet look the same after a half turn. So you have to, in this question, what you have to do, you have to find the English letter which will look same when you do a half turn it. So the answer will be I, H, N, O, X and Z. These are the English alphabet which will look same after half turn. If you, for example, let's take H. If you turn it by half, it will again look like this only. So it is the true answer. Next question, let's read. Which of the English word reads the same on half a turn? Now these are the various English words is been given. Now you have to find out that after half turn which word will remain or which word will read the same. So if you half turn the zoom, it will change, right? When you half turn this MOW, it will remain same. So this one MOW will remain same. Swims will also remain same, and sis will also remain same, and noon will also remain same. So this is the answer. This will change, and rest of them will remain same. Now let's see the question number 3. Give half a turn to the number from 0 to 9. Find which of them still look the same. So this will be a homework. You have to find the numbers between 0 to 9 which will remain or look same after a half turn. Question number 4. Think of all 2, 3 and 4 digit number which will look the same on half turn. Some examples are being given. 2-digit number, first is 11, then second you can write 88. 88 will also remain same after half turn. Then third 3-digit number 10111, then you can write 181, then 808. So these are the 3-digit number that will remain same after half turn. And then 4-digit number. So here given 1001, 111, then 1881, you can write 8008. So these are the number which will remain same after half turn. So I hope this much is clear. So for today this much only, and in our next class we are going to see further what is given in our textbook. So thank you so much.